pagbabago ang gusto mong gawin sa DPWH that will outlast your term?
I think the first thing we need to do is really to put the fear of God in these people and in everybody.
Yun ang una.
In DPWH.
Oo.
Karen, we
moral corruption na eh.
We filed the first cases in just a week since we came in. Talagang ang sinabi ko sa team, we have to send a strong message. We dismissed people within a few days when we came in. We have to send a strong message that you will pay for what you have done. And we're not done yet. They will go to jail. All their assets are gonna get frozen and eventually forfeited. Uulitin ko, I don't care kung ang buong pamilya nila mamulube. I don't care. Hindi nila pera yan. Yung mga anak nila, alam ko siguro wala naman kayong kasalanan dito. Pero dahil sa ginawa ng mga magulang ninyo, ng tatay ninyo, you will also have to suffer. Yung magaganda yung mga sasakyan, relo, yung pagta-travel ninyo, lahat yan, pera ng bayan, hindi nyo pera yan. So we're going to take all of that away from you and give it back to the people. So that's the first thing. We have to put the fear of God in these people.